Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss Cbse class 10 maths chapter 1 real numbers. That we are going to discuss the example 7 in your NCERT textbook. Okay, so this is all based on finding out the LCM and HCF, and we also have learned about the fundamental theorem of arithmetic in the previous videos. Now we'll just do a quick recap about what is LCM and HCF before we get into the example. So LCM is nothing but the product of the greatest power. So when you have two numbers, you calculate the factors. Okay, so you write all the factors and then you write all the powers, and then the greatest powers alone you will take and then you will multiply. Okay, and HCF, it is the smallest power. So this is what you need to remember. LCM is the greatest power and HCF is the smallest power of all the common factors. Here it is going to be common factor. Here it is going to be each prime factor. Even if it is not common, you will be considering it when you are doing the LCM. But in HCF, you are only going to take the common prime factors. Okay. And one more concept, like two more concepts you need to remember is that when you are going to multiply the HCF and LCM of two positive integers, that will be equal to the product of those integers. Okay, so this you will get when you have two positive integers, but this will not happen when it comes to three numbers. If you are going to have, if you are going to find out the LCM and HCF of three numbers A, B and C, the HCF into LCM will not be equal to the product of the numbers A, B and C. This is one thing which you need to remember. You may be asked in your questions, in your assertion and reasoning kind of questions also. So please be careful with all these concepts. Now let's get into the example 7. Find the HCF of 96 and 404 by the prime factorization method and hence find the LCM. So they want us to find out the HCF first. Okay, HCF only first. What is the HCF? HCF, just now we saw it is going to be the product of the smallest power. Okay, it is what? Smallest power and for the common factors only. Okay, you're going to take the smallest power of the common factors only. So first let's do for 96. So for 96, if you're going to start doing 2 4s are 8, 9, 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. So how many numbers you have for 96? 96 you have 2 and then you have 3. 3 to the power of 1 and 2, how many you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 to the power of 5 into 3 to the power of 1. Okay. So for 96 we have got 2 to the power of 5 into 3 to the power of 1. Now let's calculate for 404 also. Okay. So for 404, when you multiply it by 2, 2 2s are 4, 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 table 1, 0, 1. So after this, I don't think you will get the another factor because 101 is itself a prime number. So for 404, what are we getting? We are getting 2 and 101 as the factors. So 2 power 2 and 101 to the power 1. So for HCF, we know we are going to calculate the smallest power and the common factors alone. Okay, smallest power and the common factors alone. So now what is the HCF? The common factor is going to be only 2 and the smallest power is what? That is also 2. So 2 power 2, it is going to be 4. So you can say that the HCF of 96 and 404 is going to be 4. Okay, this is what we have got here. And what do we already know? We know that your HCF into HCF of 96, 404 into the LCM of 96, 404 will be equal to 96 into 404. This is what we saw in the beginning. So now we need to find out the LCM. So what will be the LCM? The LCM will be 96 into 404 divided by the HCF. So you are going to get 96 into 404 divided by your HCF is what? 4. Okay. So 4, now when you are going to cancel, you will get 4 ones are 4, 0, 1. So when you are going to do for 96 into 101, so you get 96 and then 1 will go and again here and then again 96. So you are going to get the number 9696. So this is the LCM of 96 and 404. It's nothing but 9696. Is it clear, children? Okay. Now, if we need to find out by the traditional method, what did we have for 96? You had 2 to the power of 5 into 3. And for 404, you had 2 to the power 2 into 101. Okay. So then what do we need to do here for LCM if we need to find out? By the other method, it is going to be the greatest power for each factor. But then what you will get? 2 into 3 into 101. So here what is the greatest power for 2? 2 power 5. What is 3 power is 1 again. 101 is again 1. So 2 power 5 into 3 power 1, we already it is going to be 96. So again it will be what? 96 into 101. This is the same thing which we got there also. So it is nothing but your 9696. Is it clear, children? So your answer is, your LCM is going to be 9696. Is it clear? So like this only we will have to find out to calculate the LCM and HCF by individually, and also when your one value is known, even then you can calculate. So hope you understood this. If you have any doubt, please get back to the videos and try to understand it. We'll see the next example in the upcoming video. Thank you, children.